Okay, good morning, folks. Good morning, everybody. Let's get today started. I'm going to get Tony on the line as quick as I can. We're running low on time. And Google Voice. That is, yeah, the photo today on the front is a woman rolling around in singles. I didn't realize they were singles until later, so that could make her a stripper. I might have misread that one, but it was supposed to be, women. Women are actually statistically better traders than men. Women, making money in the market is what it was supposed to represent, and now I'm getting an off-putting vibe. All right, let's call him right now. Google Voice. Google Voice. What the heck are you, boy? All right, this should take 2 seconds. I'm going to put everything in on a simulator, all his stocks, all his bids. We're just going to go over them again really quickly. So yeah, these are all Tony's trades that I'm going to be putting in. Keep in mind, I'm putting them in now, the bids. That protects you from any, lag in the YouTube, anything. So I'm getting ready. He has a lot of picks this morning, so I'll use the simulator, and then I'll pick my favorite later after he goes through them all. And I'll do one or two of those in my account, which is just on the other page, on the other screen. So calling now.
Good morning, folks. What's up, Luke?
Hey, good morning, Tony. How are you doing?
Okay.
All right, your audio's coming in
Uh,
perfect, and let's get started with the day because we're low on time.
yes. So just hold on 1 second. Let me just move over here. Today we're looking at the AMRS. I put it in the chat room at like 350 bid.
Okay, so bid
Um,
350 is at
350, 352, 353, anywhere around there.
right.
Then I was looking at this FORM at 24. It's a 52-week call. I think the stock could go to 26. Thinking like 24.10, 24.20. Bid on that one.
24.20 bid. So basically at the open, 24.10,
Yes.
24.20.
Yes.
So
Uh,
all right, let me add that in. I'm putting that order in for 24.20 there on
then
AMRS.
we got
What's your bid on
then we
that?
got that 24.10, 24.20 on that one.
And
That's
350
form.
on AMRS, right? Or
And
355.
AMRS, yeah, and FORM, and let me see this other one here. I'm looking at GNFT right now, but I'm not too sure of it. Just want to see the chart on it.
I know you're watching PBYI.
That one is a little tricky. They keep them down. They keep on putting the bids down and the offers down. If it opens at $9, there's no risk in that stock. I think that stock could go to like $10, 10 and change.
If it
Got to
opens at
open up at
9.
$9.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Or if it opens at $8.99 and it follows to like 9.10, 9.20, I would take a chance and get in on it because I think it could break through $10. That one.
All right.
PBYI. That's why you need the charts. You need the charts. You need to take the courses so you to see what I see, and
Right.
it makes it
Because
easier than just typing. And
create
so
alert. Yeah,
basically,
absolutely. Go ahead.
yeah, we have the AMRS. We got the FORM. That's basically it for today. I mean, so far. And that TLTFF looks like a super breakout on that. That was given weeks ago, like 16 cents, by the way. And then it was given again around 18, 19 cents.
Okay. Let me add you on the line. Yeah, so we got a couple more minutes until the open. You want to tell us a little more about the course? How many?
Well, right now, yeah, it's right. It's like I'll teach you. You're with me forever. I'll teach you the charts. I'll teach you what to look for in the morning. Um, Texting and verbally and texting, it's yes, it's good this way, but you also want to know the material
You
and
never
learning
learn that
what
way.
sense
You'll
to
never
yourself.
learn. Just from like being texted where to get in, where to get out, you'll make a million mistakes and you won't learn. Listen, I took the course with Tony, but a more simplified version. His intensive course, all the people that took it are successful and you remain in contact with. So there is a link below if that is something you want to sign up for. The spots are limited, and I think it's $250 deposit, and then the next payment would be towards the course. Course price varies, but in general, sticker price
Yeah.
is 3,500.
So I just came up. There's just another one on my list here. Hold on 1 second here. XRTK. Okay, let me look at this one here. Just came on my list here. XRTK. Let me look at the chart quickly. This is where everything gets confusing when something comes up the last minute.
Right at the end, yeah. SRTK.
And
That's
that's
a
why you need to
popular
take the
one.
courses so you learn how to trade these things and how to see it.
Where to find them.
Right here. 64, 65. A little tricky on this one. A little tricky on this one. Hold on a second.
I mean, I think we got some good ones ready, but if you found another one, let's do it. You mark.
The high 67, 64. I'll keep off of this one. I'm not too sure about it. I'm not going to go do anything I'm not too sure about.
Hey, what about ISSC?
Definitely not. I'm not going to touch this one at all.
ISSC?
ISSC is not bad at $5, but not too crazy about that volume on there.
Yeah.
It hasn't been, the month's a little slow because of tax selling, that PBBY, leave it alone. It's not even worth it. Oh, there it is. PB 882. It's not going to open up at 9. It's too wide of a spread. So we got AMRS and FORM.
AMRS, I'm like very close to the fill. I got two orders, one 356, one 353. So that's probably going to fill. I'll probably get filled on AMRS. And then FORM, I'll probably get filled on
FORM
both of these right off the bat.
2410.
My bid
We got
is
1 minute left. That's basically it for the
24.33.
morning.
Got 12 seconds left. Actually, we're open. We're open. One I'm interested in is, you can't see it because I'm right here. I like Lulu.
KRTX. Let me see this KRTX.
Alright, we got the market moving. FORM.
KRTX here. 65, 66, white spread. It's not even working.
ISSC is catching some steam. Most active right now, TNXP. So maybe TNXP is rallying. Lulu's going to go back to yesterday's close. This is going to end up positive today. All right. Okay, I got filled on FORM. Did you get filled on that? So,
Yes, what's up?
did you get filled on FORM?
I took a little bit, like 23, 24 cents.
AMRS, I should be getting filled any second. Yeah, TRXP was the most active at the gate. Good job, Bagwell. Bagwell called that. But this is a common pump and dump, but apparently the news today is they got a patent or something. Yeah, and that's a straight up. Let's see. TNXP. It broke over the pre-market highs of 145 and then it broke through 150. But TNXP is a common pump and dump. Yeah, it is up. Why? I heard something about a patent, but whenever I see the daily biotech pulse, I know that that's a pre-market. This company tries to pump and dump stocks.
One minute. Hold on 1 second here. Let me just check a look at this here.
I like this pullback on Roku. 142 we know on Roku is a strong resistance support. If it bounces or pivots off that level, great entry. Let's see what's going on in the world. Let's look at the trade ideas. See what they're trading right now. Oh, I got filled on AMRS.
I was thinking of kids that are financing at 36 or something, and
Kids.
I got more FORM. I just bought more FORM here.
FORM.
Yeah, now my risk in FORM right here is about 30 cents. If it breaks 23.90, I'm out. If this thing takes off, it goes to $26. FORM.
So what would be a good exit if it went the other way?
About 23.90.
Okay. So stop loss 23.90 on FORM.
Remember, today's a slow day, but the only one I'm in right now is FORM, believe it or not. I'm AMRS, I'm not even in there yet. I'm just waiting.
Yeah, this Roku is looking interesting right here. Market's dumping, but what's interesting is if it breaks 142, it's gonna go down to like 138, even 130. But this is a potential great pivot area.
How's that PBYI? See, that failed. I won't even touch that.
Yeah, forget that.
TNFT, I won't even touch.
Didn't go over 9 at the
FORM is the only good one here that I see so far right now. I'm not even in AMRS, believe it or not, guys.
TNXP is popping hard.
That TLT just
MD.
had a 22 bid. This
MD
stock
is
is gonna
popping really hard.
explode. This stock's gonna explode.
Which one?
That
MDB, yeah.
TLTFF.
Oh, MD. I'm looking at MD right now. It's got a nice gauge out the gate.
Now look at this XRTX, right? I'm trying to get stock here, $67. I think the stock goes to 70. Trying to get $67 stock here. The stock here is like gap, like too much. Can't get stock here.
Where?
Everybody's informed. Form should have got informed at like 24.20, 24.30.
Yeah, I'm in Form and I'm in AMRS, and I like that the market just had a major move, almost the full point. That's my cue. That's my cue right there. Me personally, I'm gonna do this on my account as well. Roku. Oh, 1 day left. Roku entry
AMRS, you could have got filled at 350. There's no risk in the stock. The stock actually go to 450. I don't know the way it's moving, but even if it goes to, let's say, 380, you make good money on it. FORM is creeping up. People should be in FORM.
Roku's creeping up as well. Keep an eye on Roku. Yeah, everything kind of pivoted when that market did that. That's very good.
I took some KRTX. I won't recommend people to take it because it's a 2-point spread. I got filled at 67.37. I got filled.
Well, a 2-point spread
67.37.
is great. What stock is that?
No, it's not a 2-point spread. It's like a 50-cent spread. It's like a 55-cent spread. I would recommend people buying it unless it tightens up. I got filled. I could take a little loss on it. I don't mind. But
Okay, so right now the people are just in AMRS at about this price, and FORM for a profit so far.
24.11.36.
This is dumping. Did I already own Roku? Yes, I did. I might as well hold it now.
Shitty day. It's a really shitty day. Let me tell you.
PBYI, check it out. Looks like it's popping
No,
up here.
it's not pop. It's got to pass $9. I mean, it's got to
20 cents away. AMRX, how's that doing? AMRX, big head and shoulder thing. BHC. These are all stocks I'm getting off of trade ideas, off the artificial intelligence. BHC.
INSG. Let's look at this one. This one just came up on my list here.
Hang on one
No.
second for me, Tone. Hold it down. All your charts are on the thing. Hold it down.
Okay, we're informed. AMRS FORM, right? I took some KRTX. That's tightened up here. That's why I got filled 67.30 something here. $35, $36, unbelievable. That SFIX, guys, is going back to $28 here. I personally think MDB is going to go up today. Here's that form. Form is coming up nice and slow, guys. Once we break 25, we should go to 26 on this FORM. MDB is going to go positive today, guys.
MBV.
Yeah, I bought some MDB. I think it goes to 29, at least to 129.
Ooh, look at this.
MDB.
MDB. Oh, gotcha. I need to figure out where to put that. MDB. Wow, this BCH is
Okay.
killer.
FORM, guys, we're going up here. FORM. You should have got filled, and you should be up about 80 cents on that now. I think the stock goes to 25 and change.
Up $110 on 200 shares only. So this thing moved. What did it move? Yeah, that's a nice pick. What's the target on this one?
Yeah, and this KRTX, the bids are gapping up here. I like to see this at 66.70. I'm adding more at KRTX.
But are you instructing them to take that one or wait?
Just stick to FORM, guys. Stick to FORM. You need to take the course. This way you could see when the stocks are in the channel and you could get in on them, and you could see a risk reward ratio on the stock. You know, right now everybody should just be in FORM, AMRS. You should just boot it out. Forget about that stock. You lost a nickel. Just get out of it. FORM is the focus here right now.
Quick. Oh, get out of AMRS.
It didn't move. It just went down a little bit.
All right,
I don't
so I'm
like the way
gonna
it's
put
moving.
that in the text alerts in case people aren't watching, because not everybody can watch. A lot of people trade from work. AMRS.
FORM is creeping up, guys.
What's
Creeping up
the
nicely.
target? Top of the range on FORM?
About 25.50, 25.75, I'm thinking. I'm in KRTX also. That's me. There's the FORM, guys. Gonna break 25, right to 25.50.
FORM's killing it. Good call on getting out on AMRS. Because that looks like it's just going
I don't like the way it's moving. I'm not gonna hold
Yeah.
something like that.
Straight down it's going. Take partial. I like Lulu here as an entry. This is where I'm getting in Lulu. Right at 220. That's where I should have had the bid at. But I'll take it at 220.32. Same thing. I don't think this is going to go below 220 anymore. Looks like all right. I'm going to actually put that out.
Look at that Stitch Fix, guys. $28.
I know Stitch Fix was like I'm profitable on that from the hold up $1,800 on. I was heavy on the share size though, 1,200 shares. I really like Lulu right now. Dead cat bounce sort of situation. It did amazing on earnings. What we have with Lulu is another Roku situation. Excuse me, I got to get off the line for a second. My doctor calling me. All right, guys, I'm back. Form is doing incredible. I'm gonna take some profit. I forgot how many shares I have of this thing. Mass, massive. Great pick today, Tony. Great pick. Good job, as always. I'm gonna take.
See, I bought that KRTX at 66 inch. I told people not to buy it because the risk is, I took 80-cent loss on it. I got out of it. I'm so happy. Look at it fail. So I'm good with that one. The
That's good.
PBBI never crossed. We're not getting on that one.
I know you're
Everybody should just be in the form. I said
form,
just
right?
by form, and that was it. AMRS, you took a little small loss, a nickel loss. Forget about it. Dried out. But FORM was the stock to be in today, and you should be up 80 cents to a dollar on that stock.
Yeah.
Even 70 cents.
I'm gonna
Salvage still out.
take. I put your your target at 25.50, 25.75.
I think it still goes up. FORM is a 52-week high. I got 25.75.
Okay. Okay, we hit 142, guys, on ROKU. And it looks like we're about to break 31 on BHC. A lot of good potentials here, but this is the lows here. If this goes down today, this will go back up tomorrow. I'm just like positive about that. Should average down.
Still in form, guys. Still in form.
Hey, how you doing? What's going on? Anthony. Yeah, I know. I met you before. I also shaved my head.
Oh. No, I lost my hair about 27, 37, about 13 years now.
Oh, really? All right.
What are you going to do?
Yeah, Roke was very dangerous right now. Dangerous area. And if it doesn't pivot here, it's gone.
I'll tell you right now, this TLTFF, they take out the 21.99 here. The stock's 25 today.
TLTFF. I guess I can get rid of AMRS. TLTFF. Woo! This one's gonna be a beast, guys. Look at what's going on with it right now. Let me zoom out about 20 days. This typically is a stock. It doesn't have much volume, not a lot going on. But look at yesterday. Look at all the action yesterday. I think this hits 25 today. 25. Very rarely do you get that kind of move. And then, not to mention, you had one after the other, sort of, except for that one day. But technically wise, it's not at a 52-week high, but it's at the highest it's been for a while. You really want to get it at above 45 cents. I mean, that's where you hope it goes, is above 45 cents. Breaks through 50 and keeps going. They have drug applications for what kind of drug is it?
Some sort of laser cancer thing.
Yeah, laser cancer curing, like some kind of non-harmful, no chemo, whatever it is. They're in phase 1, phase 2. No, they're in phase 2. So when phase 3 news hits, this will be on the map. Right now, it's not on the map so much, but I mean, you could look on the artificial intelligence and see like how much it's showing up in social media, and it's showing up somewhat more in social media than normal. Look at this lab. This is the one we were looking at yesterday. GSA. Yep. Oh no, we were looking at this on Tuesday. I wasn't here yesterday.
Mhm. Sorry, I'm just looking at things here, like going along.
You got PBYI about to break 9. Hang on 1 second again. I'm sorry.
Still informed, folks. Now, Stitch Fix, whoever was in Stitch Fix, you would have made 2 points on Stitch Fix since the price target. Still waiting on the MDB. I know that one is frustrating. I still own it with a loss. Just waiting for it. To complete its range, that form should go to 25.75. That form should go to 25.75. The range is to 26. There's a 2-point range, but I believe 25.75 should hit it there. Let me look at this GNFT here. This is very interesting. This stock here right now. GNFT 1650. I think the stock will go to 17. I'm not going to buy it. I mean, it hit $9. Your risk in the stock is 10 cents. You buy it at 9, 8.90. You're out. Stock goes to 10. 9 goes to 10. I mean, that's what I was looking at before myself. Am I buying it? I'm not buying it. I'm with Form. I have a lot of Form, and if I sell it at 25.75, I'll be a very happy person today. $16.46 GNFT 16.46. Let me just take a look at this. You know, I have a lot of discipline in my trades. You know, I don't just, you know, if I got one good one and I'm loaded on it, I'll just stick to it and I'm happy with it. That's it. Oh, man. Let's see if this form takes out these highs here and just accelerates. Well, the range is 26. I'm saying 25.70, 25.75. I bought some more TLTFF here on the pullback. 21.79 here. You should be up $1 on form no matter how you look at it. 90 cents to $1 easily. This MDB's got to have a positive day, at least a 5-point day. It's got to have at least a 5-point day. This MDB. Yeah, I'm still in it. To be honest with you, yeah. You can get it over. This fix gave you $2, no matter how you look at it, from the beginning of the week. FORM gave you over $1. You see that PBY? You see that fake out? Got over 9, and then people get in, and then it just dropped. I'm not touching that. FORM. FORM. Within time, I think the stock's $30. Believe it or not. Within time, $30. Mm-hmm. Took some profits out of FORM. FORM give you like $1.30, $1.35. I'm actually bought some MDB. I bought some more MDB. Believe it or not, I bought more MDB. The stock's got to go to 130 again. This is not regular trading days. Our regular trading days are rocket ships. Stocks are just, you got to get in on the open and it just take off right out of the gate. ISSC is off my list. PBY keeps on hitting 9 and coming back down. This MDB wants to go positive. I think GNFT is going to hit $17, which is nothing here. It's a slow day, you know, not a great day. AMRS will come off my list. Don't care about it. I took money here and I bought MDB. I put more MDB in like 125.30, 125.40. What was that stock? What was the stock we traded on Monday? That fast one, $19. I went from 20 to 21.80 on the bounce. All right. What's the stock? What's the symbol? ASRT. ASRT. It's a dollar. Where's it at? $1 right now? Yeah. Oh, this one looks, yeah. Well, I mean, I'm not gonna. No. This FORM is going right back to the highs here. Like I said, 25.75. I still don't think it's gonna hit that. Yeah, this could be. The thing is, got to fill that gap. I don't like that gap from 80 cents to $1. If it gets back to 90 cents, then it might be a good buy signal there. Get to 90 cents, and then you could just buy it. FORM still hanging up here nicely. There's this FORM here. That's basically it today. This is like what a day today. This is Okay. $1.35 hanging around there. The high was 45. Should have been $1.25, $1.35 on this. Easy. What a day. GNFT was a pretty good trade also. I think 1650 was pretty good on it. I bought this MDB today. This thing's got to have at least a 4 or 5 point gain a day. $25.33, $25.36. This stock wants to go to $25.75. This FORM. $42. Here we go. $41, $45. Here we go. Try to break out the high today here. Here's the FORM, new high. I got $25.70 on all my share sell here at FORM. The remaining is $25.70. My sell side. There it goes. 54. Torture. Anyway, I got a lot of running around to do, so I'm gonna have to cut it short. No problem. I'm gonna be in the chat room throughout the day. That texting, and like I said, I got the remaining of $25.70 for sale. Still buying more TLTFF because I think a big super breakout is coming on that stock. And MDB bought more today. I think the stock's gonna have a 3 to 5 point positive day from this bottom here. Good day today, guys, and keep you alerted in the chat room throughout the day, and see you tomorrow morning. I'll talk to you later, Luke. Okay, bye. Bye.
Now you hear me, right? Well, that was a whole spiel for no reason. But simply what I was saying is, why was his thing even down? It should have been all the way up. But yeah, if you want to take his course is going to basically teach you everything I was just talking about, which you didn't hear, so I guess I should go over again, is how to find true ranges. You find the true ranges within the stocks as well as signals of entry. There's signals of entry, there's signals of exit, and we're not talking about artificial intelligence. This is just straight up a method of trading. He uses something called a 3D chart. It's like a 3D chart. It's layered. Like you might say, well, these charts are layered and you know, you have the VWAP and the moving averages and all that. No. What I'm talking about is totally different. Like you have things flashing yellow or green, whatever it is, when it's a buy, and um you don't have to pay anything for that service. Those are things that you could set up for free. And essentially, what did he do? He picked, you know, the best one throughout the day. Now, Tony comes at me often with plenty of picks, and, um, you know, it's usually me who tries to decipher what I think the best of the day is. But he came at us with what he thought the best of the day is. The other stock he wanted us to get in, he's like, get out right away. That's beautiful. I mean, that's perfect trading. And I was saying everything is calculated. He's not randomly doing things. Everything is calculated. Like when he said hold Stitch Fix, we held Stitch Fix. You could have sold Stitch Fix today for a massive profit, right? MDB supposed to be averaging down, averaging down, averaging down. And let's see, Stitch Fix. Hey, you know, so he knows what he's doing when he says hold, and a lot of people are not used to holding that much, but the way that he buys is in like 5% blocks. So he always has plenty of power to take over the trade. He doesn't let the trade take over him. So something unlike MDB, we know is going to go back up to 35, 40 soon. Um, you buy blocks at 5 when you first purchase it, you know. 5% of your not portfolio, but you know what you're willing to invest that day. And then if it goes down, then you add 10. If it goes down even more, then you add 20. You know, and but this is a strategy you can't learn. So some people might get confused, like, why am I holding and I'm just losing? And that's understandable. And I explained to him, so, people, you know, anyway, bottom line is he's very good at what he does, and the easiest way, I mean, like his answer was the easiest way is you got to take the course. Like it would, I'd have to show you. So anyway, below there's a opportunity for you to take the course. It's a 250 deposit that guarantees you a slot. He's taking 2 more people because of the holidays. That's all he wants to take right now. You become a member for life of this chat room. You become like one of the guys or girls and gals, and you will have constant contact. You'll have his phone number. uh, it's worth it to join. It's worth it to join. It really, really is. Um, I mean, hey, you're gonna be trading profitably, and if you want to do nothing but trade for a living, these tools will give you that ability. Um, Here goes AST, ARST, ARST. No, ASRT, SRT. I love this pick. This is definitely, if this continues to go up here, if we see the TTM start to go up, This would be my favorite pick of the day. This will go to about 132, 131. Active trader. Let me see how many shares I have. 1,100 shares. So let's go to 1,100 shares and sell them at 131 to be safe. Who the heck knows? This thing could go up to being up 100% today. Alright, let's sell my final shares on FORM now. Probably not necessary, but enough is made. A whole point on a $20 stock is a great gain. I'm done for the day. I will see you guys tomorrow. We will do the same thing tomorrow on with Tony. And that is it. Enjoy the rest of your day.